In the courtroom of tomorrow, the gavel falls, but the arguments are shaped by minds of both metal and flesh. This is no longer science fiction. It is the dawn of the robot lawyer. Imagine a legal assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and can process a century of case law in the time it takes a human to sip their coffee. This is the promise of artificial intelligence in the legal field, a revolution in efficiency and capability. Machines like the conceptual LexBot 9000 are being designed not to replace but to augment, handling the painstaking work of discovery, document review, and legal research with unparalleled speed. They can sift through millions of documents, flagging inconsistencies and identifying crucial precedents that a human team might take months to find. This automation of repetitive tasks frees up legal professionals to focus on what they do best: strategy, empathy, and the uniquely human art of persuasion. This new era is defined by collaboration. Meet Sarah, a seasoned attorney with 15 years of trial experience. Her intuition, her ability to read a jury, and her understanding of the subtle nuances of human behavior are skills honed through countless hours in court. Beside her stands the LexBot 9000. It doesn't understand the nervous tap of a witness's finger or the weight of a victim's testimony. Instead, its optical sensors scan legal databases in real time, cross-referencing every statement against a near-infinite library of statutes and prior rulings. While Sarah crafts a compelling narrative for the jury, the LexBot ensures every pillar of her argument is built on an unshakable legal foundation. It's a symphony of strengths, human emotional intelligence and machine logic working in perfect harmony. This partnership allows for a level of preparation and responsiveness that was once unimaginable, making legal defense more robust and accessible. Consider a high-stakes corporate litigation. The opposition dumps terabytes of data, emails, contracts, internal memos, just days before the trial, a classic tactic to overwhelm a legal team. For Sarah's team, it would be an impossible task. But for the LexBot, it's merely a data stream. In hours, it flags a single buried email from years ago, containing a phrase that contradicts the opposition's entire case. The machine finds the needle in the haystack. However, the AI's discovery presents an ethical crossroads. The context of the email is ambiguous and could be spun to vilify an innocent party. The AI provides the data, but it lacks moral judgment. It cannot weigh fairness against the raw advantage of the evidence. This is where Sarah's role becomes paramount. She must make the call, balancing the aggressive pursuit of victory with the ethical obligations of her profession. It is her wisdom, her human oversight that guides the powerful tool in her hand, ensuring that the pursuit of justice remains just. The future of law is not a contest of man versus machine. It is a partnership. The integration of AI like the LexBot 9000 into legal practice signifies a monumental shift from traditional methods to a more dynamic, data-driven approach. By automating the laborious and time-consuming aspects of law, we empower our best legal minds to dedicate their energy to complex problem-solving, client advocacy, and strategic counsel. This synergy promises not only to accelerate the wheels of justice, but also to make legal services more affordable and available to a wider population. It's a future where technology enhances human capacity, where logic and empathy combine, forging a legal system that is more efficient, more precise, and ultimately, more equitable for everyone. The robot lawyer is here, not to hold the scales of justice, but to ensure they are balanced with perfect information.